Hi, good evening. Welcome back to Sharp Jains. Now we will see end of the day market report. First we will see how US market closed yesterday. Dow Jones gained 147 points and closed at 15,676, whereas Nasdaq gained 37 points and closed at 3,789. Now we will see about Asian markets. Nikkei gained 260 points and closed at 14,766. Straits Times gained 57 points and closed at 3,251. Whereas Hang Seng gained 385 points and closed at 2,352. Whereas Taiwan lost 40 points and closed at 8,209. Kospi lost 7 points and closed at 2005, and Shanghai closed flat at 2191. Our market Nifty opened with a big gap up around at 6,085 and it continued the momentum. It made a low of only 6,040. From there it started to move very heavily. 6,085 again it cut. It moved to 6,100, 6,110, and at one point it moved to 6,142. Today Nifty rallied close to 216 points and closed at 6,115, a gain of 3.66%, and this is the highest rally in Nifty since May 2009. Today Nifty taken out its high of 6,093 which it made on July. When it coming to Sensex opened at 20,354 and made a high of 20,739. This is a new 52-week high for this year. Previous high is 20,443 which we created on May, and it closed at 20,646 with a gain of 3.43%, which is almost 684 points gain. Now we will see about top gainers and losers in Nifty first. JP Associates gained 8%, Bank of Baroda gained 8.8%, PNB gained 8.6%, SBI gained 8%, Kotak Mahindra Bank gained 7.9%. Today the gainers are from Bank. Bank rallied big time because of short covering and move yesterday by Fed not to taper the bond buying. So it given a big boost all over, not only Indian market, all over to global market, and the rally started big time on short covering on banks. Losers in Nifty are HCL Tech just lost 0.4%, Coal India lost 0.1%. If you see Advanced decline, the number of scripts, Advanced is close to 1,853 and decline is close to 1,478, and unchanged is close to 370. Outside Nifty, if you see, gainers are S-Bank gained 22%, Prozone Capital gained close to 12%, Indian Bank gained close to 12.7%, Arcom gained close to 12%, India Bulls Housing gained close to 10%. If you see losers, Visagar Polytech lost 20%, ThinkSoft lost 7%, Ruby Mills lost 7%, Signet Industries lost close to 6%, and Shirpur Gold lost close to 6%. Today Nifty taken out almost all the resistance which it made till July. Now August high is close to 6,223. That will be acting as a main resistance, and support is at 6,040 where today it's got open. After 6,040 it is 6,000, then 5,980. The way it is going up, tomorrow is the last day trading for this week, then expiry comes up next week. This week tomorrow we are having RBI policy meet, so that will also take the market. If RBI policy meet is very good, it will take market to further highs. Now we'll see about commodities right now. Right now, Brent crude gained 0.3% and trading around $110.99. Gold gained 1.2% and trading around 30,351 right now. And silver gained 3% and trading around 51,084. Whereas natural gas lost 2% and trading around 232 rupees. Now we'll see about currencies. Right now, rupee is trading at 61 rupees 92 paisa against the dollar, gaining 2.3%. And versus euro, it is trading around 90 rupees. And versus pound, versus euro, it's trading around 83 rupee 91 paisa, gaining 2%. And versus pound, it's trading around 99 rupees. Now we will see about European market. FTSE gained 94 points, CAC gained 44 points, and DAX gained close to 97 points. All the markets all over the world are rallying. Main reason is because of Fed policy not tapering the bond buying. Now market is in a very good condition. If you have bought it at the bottom anywhere at 5,118, which it created a low around August, from there it rallied close to 1,000 points in Nifty. That is almost equal to 20% rally in Nifty, which is massive. And September low is close to 5,350. From there also we rallied close to 800 points in Nifty. So those who bought there, they can book a profit and wait until the market consolidates before just thinking that we missed the bus, we have to go and buy in a hurry. Wait for all the stocks to stabilize, then enter into the market. Market always give opportunity for everyone. For more, visit our website www.sharjain.com, or you can post your queries in YouTube itself. Thank you.